Working with C4, cleaning is more than just a job. It's a kind of meditation for me. You see, with this Honda G series pressure washer, I get down to the toughest dirt, moss, and stuff that seems like it's there to stay. Not chewing gum, though. People think cleaning brickwork is all about the surface, but it's about getting to the core. Just like family. What's under the surface matters most. And when I stand back and see that wall, like new, it's the same pride I feel watching my kids grow. Now, why do customers always want it done in the winter? I don't know. It's freezing out here, but hey, they're the ones paying the bills, so I'll be here, rain or shine, doing what I love. In the end, it's all worth it, the satisfaction of a job done right. For me, this work is almost like meditation. I focus, clear my mind, and just let the machine do its job. There's a real satisfaction in transforming something neglected into something fresh again.